Hello everyone, in this video, we are going to explore how to manage Start and Stop AI bot in WhatsJet. Let's get started. Start or Stop AI bot help manage chats, give quick replies, and balance between bots and people. Now, we will see how to create and manage Stop and Start AI bot using this trigger type. Click on the Create New Bot Reply button. Choose any bot reply from Simple Bot Reply, Media Bot Reply, or Advanced Interactive Bot Reply. Here I am choosing Simple Bot Reply. Enter the name of bot reply in the designated field. Here, add your reply text that you want to send as response on receiving specific message. From here you are free to use following dynamic variables for reply text, which will get replaced with contacts concerned field value. To begin your AI bot, choose the Start AI bot type from the Trigger Type drop-down. After selecting this trigger type, enter the reply trigger subject. You can add comma-separated multiple trigger subjects from here. Your AI bot will then activate based on the combination of this trigger subject and trigger type. Also, you can view how customers receive the AI bot messages. You can stop the AI bot messages using the Stop AI bot trigger type. After selecting the Stop AI bot trigger type, you'll need to enter the reply trigger subject. Based on this reply trigger subject and trigger type, your added bot will get trigger. Here, you can see how the Stop AI bot trigger type works based on the chosen trigger type and reply trigger subject. Now, you can observe that customers do not receive AI bot message. Additionally, you have the option to manage Stop and Start AI bot messages directly from both the chat window and the contacts for any particular contact. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the button and turn on the notification bell. See you soon.